Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be the second example in section 3 of chapter 8, which deals with how to maneuver and use the pawn in the mid-game to gain an advantage. Now, this was the position reached in a match that was played by Xiangqi experts. However, no other information was furnished in the book about the particulars of the match. As can be seen, both colors would have all two chariots, 2 horses, 2 cannons, 5 pawns, and a full guard. Black would have same material on the board. It would be black's turn to move, but we can see that red would now be threatening to capture the black horse. Now, usually or habitually, most people would play h4 plus 3 or h4 plus 5 to gain material. But in this match, black maneuvered and sacrificed 2 pawns to gain a significant advantage. So without further ado, let us see what black did. First of all, he sacrificed his third pawn so that the chariot would be protecting the black horse. Red accepted, and black continued by sacrificing another another pawn, which the red chariot must take, otherwise the horse would capture it. But in doing so, the chariot will now be placed at a precarious position. Black will continue his attack with c5 equals to 3, pinning the horse to this file, because if the horse or pawn moved, the cannon could capture the elephant for smarter cannon checkmate. So red would have to defend with e7 plus 9, and black would now continue with e3 plus 5 to attack the red chariot, forcing it away. Now at this point in time, it is very obvious that black would have a huge advantage because all of its pieces were very active. It follows from at this point in time, black would be prepared to play h7 plus 6 to attack, and red would black, for example, if red played hc2 equals to 4, black would simply play capture the horse and then apply a fork on the red chariot and the red cannon at the same time. So black would gain material and increase his lead in the game after sacrificing 2 pawns. So a quick review. In this situation, which would appear to be rather even, black will sacrifice 2 pawns, these 2 pawns, forcing the red chariot to a position that's not ideal, and then attack this file, forcing red to defend, and then play e3 plus 5 to attack the red chariot and fortify his own defense. The horse will also protect it. The red chariot would be forced to move away, and black would continue to attack with h7 plus 6. Notice that the chariot cannot move here or here because these 2 intersections are guarded by both horses. So let's say if red tried to play c2 equals to 4 to develop his chariot, black could simply capture the red horse, and after trading material, apply a fork to gain material. So I hope you've enjoyed this week's short video. This is quite a good example on using the pawn to break the equilibrium and gain a winning position. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.